In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer SSL certificate to another server. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna go over the main steps where you will be able to transfer an SSL certificate. So for the first step, it is going to be exporting the certificate. Access the server where the SSL certificate is currently installed. This process for exporting the certificate depends on your operating system and web server software. So for a general guideline, for Windows, use the Internet Information Services Manager to export the certificate with the private key. You will typically find an option like export within the certificate properties. And for Linux, use command line tools like OpenSSL to export the certificate, private key, and any intermediate certificates. Next, preparing the certificate files. Ensure that you have all of the necessary files. These are going to be first a certificate file in the .crt or .pem format, which contains the public key, the private key file, which is .key, crucial and needs to be kept secure, and then intermediate certificates, which, like the certificate file, is going to be .crt or .pem. Some certificates require these to establish a chain of trust. Combine the certificate and any intermediate certificates into a single file, which is optional, and afterwards importing the certificate onto the new server. Access the new server where you want to use the SSL certificate, and similar to exporting, the import process depends on your operating system and the web server software. Once again, for a general guideline, use the IIS Manager for Windows to import a certificate and private key, usually a PFX file, and for Linux, use command line tools or your web browser software's configuration interface to import the certificate files. Afterwards, update your web server configuration to use the imported SSL certificate, and this typically involves specifying the location of the certificate in the private key files. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer SSL certificate to another server. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.